Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This one is going to be a little more complex because I have a lot more images I'm going to put in to try to make a cute little scene. And I think we're going to try to go for a slimline card this time. So, first, again, start by opening a new file, which I'm going to do 8.5 by 11 because that's what I print on. And the slimline size is about, well, I think there are several, but I'm gonna mark off for 3.5 inches by 8.5. Okay, and I need to get some of this out of my way, so I'm gonna go up here to the Meow You Doin' font, and I'm going to just copy. Okay, see how copy is grayed out? That's because I need to click on layers, it's locked, and I need to unlock it. Now I can copy it and close it to get it out of my way. And then just paste it, and we will move this one out of our way right now. Okay, and then next I have the butterfly open. I'm going to copy this. And see, I have so many things open that things are kind of hidden. So you'll have to click on these little double arrows to the right of the screen and find the untitled. And there we're going to paste the butterfly in. Now I can close the butterfly and it'll be out of my way. Now we're starting to see, so you can see the untitled up here now. As we close things, they'll be easier to find. Next, the curved palm leaf, I will copy, close it, and also paste that. I'm going to go ahead and see what I mean by if you click on the corners, it's easier to move things around first. Okay. And I'm going to move that too out of the way. Now the straight palm leaf, and I will just continue copy and closing and pasting. Once I have it all on here, I will kind of start to work on a design. I have to say I haven't planned out anything yet, so I'm really not sure what I'm going to do. But I'm going to start again now with the curving vine. And I'm going to copy and paste that one. Close it when I'm done. And paste. I'm just going to move it up here to the center. I can find my center by dragging a guide. To drag a guide with the move tool, you just click over here in the ruler area, click it, and then drag it. And right here it tells me that it's at 4.25 inches. So that's exactly half of the 8.5 inch space I'm working with. And now I can line it up. Now here's my leopard. I'm going to go ahead and get this guy on here because I'll have a better idea then of where I want to put everything else. So I'm going to copy him, then close him, and paste him in. And I will probably put him just maybe a little bit off center here. Also, I think I'm going to make him just a little bit smaller. There. I'm going to leave him up a little to give myself some room to create a ground for him to stand on when I start coloring. And now it's time to just kind of start arranging things. So I think I'm going to put the butterfly up here in this corner. See how the butterfly right now is behind the vine? We can take care of that. Let me just zoom in so you can see what I'm doing better. Sorry. We can take care of that by clicking on the Layer tab, Arrange, Bring to Front. Now it will be in the front of the vine, and that is where I want it to be. So, I think I'm just going to put it right about here for now anyways. I'm going to click on the crop so that I can just get that to straighten back out. And now back to my move tool. And this double vine here, I'm going to copy and paste into my page that I'm working on. And I think I would like to have some vines coming down in my corners. So that's what I'm going to do. And I think I would like them to kind of mirror image each other. So I'm just going to layer, duplicate layer. Okay. Click in the corner so you can move it more easily. Slide it over. But you can see that it's not really a mirror image yet, so I'm going to show you now how to fix that. Click on the edit. Come down here to where it says transform. Then we're just going to flip it horizontally. And now you have a perfect mirror image on here. Now I'm going to get this short vine and I'm going to copy and paste it too. Just close that and get it out of the way. And now paste it right in as well. And kind of like that there, so I'll just leave it and try to decide, do I want it on top of the butterfly? It kind of gives it a little more dimension, I think. So I'll just leave it there. Now I'm going to paste another one in to bring over to the other side. And I think I'm going to leave it going in this direction on this side because I like how it kind of fits in with the vine going in this direction. So we'll leave that way. Now I'm going to get this long vine and I'm going to copy and paste it as well into the sheet we're working on. There we go. Yeah, I think this is a good spot for it, and we'll paste another. And this one, I'm going to go ahead and flip. So go back to edit, back down to transform, and flip horizontal. And there we go. Okay. Now we've got these here. But I'm thinking actually that I might like the banana leaves better because I have a lot going on here. And there's kind of a lot going on with these. So yeah, I think I'm not going to use them, and they're very easy to get rid of. You just click on it and hit the backspace on your keyboard. Backspace. Coming up to grab the banana leaf, and I'm going to copy, close, and paste that in. Probably this is not where I'm going to leave it, just straight up and down like that, but for now I'm going to go back and get the big one. Copy, close it, and paste it in.